So now we are going to have another update. So I have 3 tasks I can do. Okay, I want to separate the quiz data from the main program. I want to display math equation correctly in the result page. And I also want to adjust the quiz title for not just math. Okay, out of this, I think the last one is the easiest one, because if you look at this, right? So now it's math. So because I also want to use it for software development, okay, so I will just call it NiceQuiz server. So if we go into the code, just look for math, right? So first is, so here I will just call it a NiceQuiz server. Okay, and here also NiceQuiz server. Okay, I will delete math. So maybe I can do a search about math. Okay, that one's correct. 10 of them. 1, 2, that's fine. 3, 4, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, the title, I want to just call it Nice Quiz. Okay, that one's okay, just a comment. Okay. Select to test Archer. Select a quiz, not necessarily math quiz, right? Let me go double check. Okay, I think that's good. Now I will restart. Okay, nice quiz server, available quiz. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, so now that's what we need to do. So I will stop this, and here I will, if you are using PyCharm, you don't need to memorize the process. So I'll update this, right? So I choose it, and I'm going to say update, change math quiz to nice quiz. Okay, and this is for number 5, I think. Sorry, another one. This is number 5. So issue number 5. So we will, if we put this hashtag 5 here, it will just like automatically tick off that one. So that's commit and push, and we just need to confirm push. Okay, wait, so it's done. So now if we go back, refresh, how come it didn't fix that? Oh, let me have a look. Maybe I didn't do it correctly. Number 5. Okay, so this is now close because I didn't say close this or fix this. Okay, that's the keyword I need to use here. To use close close this, fixed. Okay, so that's okay. Let's just do it manually. So now it's closed. We come back to project. That one's done, or we can look at this. So that's done. Okay, now let's look at this. We do have a duplication in here. Result page. Okay, so okay, we probably need to change this or delete this. Okay, so let's see, we can delete it. Delete from project. Delete. So we just keep one. Okay. So we are doing. So now let's do which one is easier. I don't know. Let's fix this one. Okay. The equation. So let's go to result page. Now remember we use markdown. The syntax is quite complicated, so you do need to Google this. And unfortunately, AI didn't smart enough to pick this up. So this is how I display the string with the math equation. So what is the math equation? Is anything you put inside the dollar signs. So like that. So that means 3x squared, right? And inside the dollar signs. Okay, now let's look at the problem here. I don't know if you remember the problem. And let's see if I can show you. Oh, it's all fixed. Okay, I can show you now. I'll show you later. Okay. So so let's fix this. So quiz complete. That's good. Session result. That's fine. Score. That's fine. That's fine. Detail. Okay, that's what we need to do. Detail, and that's the car. It's correct. Tick incorrect class. That's pretty good. And that's HTML for status icon. That seems okay. Okay, that's the problem, right? So just in case, let's put that and do that one. No, not that one. Let's go back to the quiz page, and we know we need to have this markdown somewhere here. Okay, you can see before it's fairly complicated, and now this markdown. So come back. Here, I don't know if this is enough, but let's put that in. Oh, that's the answer question. Okay, so now it's called answer. Okay, let's see. Not sure if that's correct, but let's put it there. That's the image. And oh, this part will be tricky. Your answer that's fine, because if we look at this, right, because it's not multiple choice question, that will be tricky. But this one we just need to. Okay, I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to change that, and answer. So I will do first your answer. Maybe I put 3 things. Your answer strong. Okay, let's do strong. So for markdown, strong is this. And we do have a space here. Not sure why. And then we will have, let's do a plus. We don't need to do plus, but let's do a plus. And then not sure. We probably can get away with, oh, I know why. So we get this, right? Let's have a look. Luckily, I do have a screenshot, so it's a good idea to have a screenshot. So your answer, okay, so there's no night break. So I will just your answer and then just continue. Okay, status color. Okay, I can't really do the status color, can I? Okay, so it's red, it's green. Status color. Maybe I will ask ChatGPT. Okay. This is the code for HTML. How I do this, but in Markdown. That one's okay. No. Maybe the tricky thing is Markdown doesn't support color, so we have a decision to make. Okay, if you look at here, the color is good. I'm thinking maybe I don't preserve the color, or I can color your answer. Let me think about it. Okay, because it's kind of, we cannot have both easily, so maybe I will use class. I wonder, okay, let me not do that. If I don't change anything. Okay, so that's the original one. Let's run this. Quickly do that. Okay, so that's green, right, and that's red. So we want to change that, but then we can't have the color. So I'm thinking maybe we can change the color here rather than here, so it's clear enough, I hope. So what I can do is maybe if I move that's equal class, if I move that to here, wonder if that will work. Okay, let's try. Okay, good, that part works. Oh, the part also works. Okay, I think let's have a try. Okay, so we'll preserve that part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, so this is a bit tricky and doesn't matter. I'm going to delete this. Remember we are using Git, so you can back up everything. So let's just preserve that. This potentially will have a line break, right? So let me think about it. So anyway, I will just live with the line break. So here, and then I will use this options. So that will be the answer. I don't really need that. Just do that. Select is wrong. Okay, now this is because you have quotation mark, so I need to, so you have use single quotation mark here, and there'll be double quotation mark outside. Okay, it is, let's see, let's try this. One. Okay, so this, okay, and we do have a line break here, not very pretty, but we'll fix this one first. Something's wrong here. Now let's have a close look. So this is the key for the answer. It's for the option. Oh, guess what? Forget F. Okay. Try again. Okay, it works now. Can you see that? It looks nice. But if you, I wonder if we can preserve the line break here. I believe you can use that in Markdown. Let's give it a go. Okay, so let me just comment out and put it there. Now again, that's the double quotation mark, do single. Yeah, it works now. In this, okay, this is quite interesting because, yeah, I think that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Oh, this one's still wrong. Okay, so let's, and explanation still wrong. Okay, so we still have a few things to fix. So that one is fine now. So let's do the formatting. Yeah. One thing about PyCharm is it can do the format for you, so you can here see the code and reformatting code for you. Okay. Okay, now let's look at this explanation and also that's another answer. Let me have a look. So your answer is this, correct answer is this, the correct answer is wrong. Okay, so that's this one, correct answer. Okay, so we are basically going to do the same. Okay, so let's comment this out, comment this out. Now let's do it with UI.markdown and do a f string. We want to do the same thing here. Okay, I think the reason you can do that is Markdown can also interpret HTML. So yeah, good to know. And then we have this option correct. Okay, so what we need to do is correct answer is this one, and this will be, you will see a problem already here, right? So that's the single quotation mark. Similar for this one, we'll have single quotation mark. Yeah. So this is a bit advanced. That's HTML. This is HTML and the Markdown. So it's a mix. Okay. Now we do need to have this part, otherwise it will. So this will help us to interpret. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's formatted. Okay, let's try. Okay, do we want to fix this as well? Actually, let's do one at a time. Okay, so it's fixed. Right, now let's fix explanation. So that's this part. So similar idea. Let's first comment this out. By the way, you want to know the hotkey because I'm using Mac. You need to look at your computer and see what's the hotkey. So to comment is this one. Comment 9 comment. Okay. So just check your computer. UI.markdown. Do we want to copy this one? Oh, yeah, we will copy everything. That looks perfectly fine. Oh, I do notice issues here. The P thing. we actually, if I have P here, then you have a line break. So this actually is technically incorrect. Okay, so let me fix that first before going forward. So let me think. I will come back to here. I will say I have changed the HTML code to a mix of HTML and Markdown code. However, you can see it's not closed correctly. Make a suggestion. So yes, this is tricky. Of course, it's tricky. So what did it do? Okay, did it there? Will that work? Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is very strange. Okay, let's try again. The problem for HTML is the bug sometimes is really subtle. Okay, so you see nothing's different, but you know we didn't close it properly, but now hopefully we do. Okay, I will come back here. So I think we give that AI enough training, so we can be lazy now. Just say, okay, now update this for me. See, our training is good enough. Pure Markdown. Oh no, I need this one because we need the color, right? Yeah, we want the color. So we will delete that. Looks alright. Okay, perfect now. Okay, take another one, just double check everything's correct. B, C. Yep, I think probably everything's correct now. Okay, so now if we come back, so that'll be which one? Oh wow, so many. So let's fix that. So that'll be issue number 2. Okay, so we fixed the math equation in the result page. So we will come here. So if you choose here or here, okay, here is better. So this show you differences. So that's the commit, right? So we choose the change one, and we will say, let's see what's the issue number. The issue number is Number 2. Okay, we say make result page. So display math equations correctly in the result page. Close. Number 2. Okay, that looks good. Submit. Push. Okay, let's see if this is times automatic. Yes, it's automatic, so we do need to say close, right? So this is closed. So for the last one, separate. Okay, this one is interesting, right? So I think I'll probably keep the math questions here, especially the calculus one for the master class, but I'm going to copy everything from here, put it here. Oh, what's going on? Oh, I just changed it, right? With a new file called quiz bank. That sounds okay. Quiz bank. Okay, I will get rid of this, but I will use AI to do that for me. Okay, now I think so that should be fine. But so here we will say from quiz bank import quiz data. Let's try if that's correct. Okay. Oh, this is also math. Okay, so I shouldn't get rid of it. Okay, so now we do have options, right? Because we actually can just put the what's that? Geometry. Yeah, I will actually call this geometry. Okay, rather than call this quiz data, I will create something. Just do. So I'll call this so this will be a mid-year exam. Okay, so that's the question for mid-year exam. Probably too late for that. So let me see if this one works. So oh, this needs to be done. So you need to do it here. So quiz data. So you need to declare Let's see if this works. Oh, need to choose the one wrong. Okay, still works. Okay, before we continue, let's close all these crazy tabs. Okay, so that works, but let's, I will call this don't know what year is this. Okay, so we'll just call it calculus. It's messy, but I'll just leave it. Okay, now I do want to add one. Okay, so I'm going to collect this, this one called report survey. Actually, let's call it done. Oh, that's too much. Now, I do have this somewhere, so let me find it. Okay, now I want to create a quiz based on. Okay, the prompt is not very clear, so I should probably explain a little bit. Actually, just do it, see what they say. Okay, that's good. So, but I want to have 4 questions. 1. So, communication, collaboration, engage, learning, and behavior. It's good to add explanations like communication, okay, so we also don't want too many options, so I would say never, so only never inconsistently, often, consistently, and always. maybe we can put not sure. Okay, better not to put it because then many people will choose not sure. Okay. We need to use this structure. So use this data structure to create this learning survey. That's interesting, right? So I don't know what will happen with that. So let's try. So learning survey, we have this correct none. We can check the code, see if that's handled, but let's just try. It's more fun. Start quiz. Never open, always finish. So that won't work. So what do we do? We can't have a choice like that. So we can say always, yeah, for the moment. But then, should we judge people's answer? Okay, let's say use always for the moment. See how it goes. For survey, I feel like this is not the right approach. Okay, but just for the moment, let's do this. Really? Oh, yes. Well, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to read the 4. Let's try again. Never. Yeah, this is not ideal, but we only do this once in how long? 6 months, like two tons. So I will leave this. Okay, it's not ideal, but I will leave this. Okay. Okay, Toki. Okay, only is this good enough? I'm thinking, can I combine two? Okay, I have a question. Okay, sometimes just don't remember how to do it. So I wonder if I can include both calculus and learning survey. Just like y8 3. Okay. It's not very pretty. So update is okay. Plus. Okay, only update. Let's try. So let's say I want this to combine them. So quiz data. So you have that first empty, and then quiz data dot day with learning survey. Yeah, let's try. Okay. Oh, the normal. Okay. That looks good enough for so far. So that's fine. I do have a quiz to add for students tomorrow. So so I think that works well.